grabe ang kalipay ni Mr. Jeff Manday sa iyang pagsulod sa All-Star Game. Daw hindi gid siya makapati nga ara siya sa All-Star Game. And, you know, that means that, you know, yung happiness niya, he is overjoyed of making it to the All-Star lineup and then making it as a starter. And this guy, hindi ko na naabutan sa Bacolod to nung pasikat siya But, you know, I know where Barangay Sumag is. It's a coastal barangay. I think Jeff would have been a fisherman if he was not playing basketball. You know, this is sabi niya, no? He could have been a tricycle driver, but look at where his skills and his, you know, and his drive has taken him.
Oh yeah, to the national stage. And that just really proves to everybody else, especially to the younger generation, that when you put your mind to something, you will definitely get the opportunity at least to go places. It is up to you to make of that opportunity.
Alam mo, the work ethic of Jeff Manday, I think, stands out for me. I think I've seen a lot of his videos na, you know, just working on his shot. And even in Bacolod na, you know, hindi ganun, malayo sa mga gym dito sa Manila, yung facility doon. So, you know, from there, that work ethic was already developed. This play of the game is brought to you by 1xBet, title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet. He certainly brings a lot of pride to the City of Smiles.
At dyan mo masasabi si Delph na, you know, despite not having really good facilities, tinabaho niya. Diyan sinasabi na maraming tao na it doesn't have to be perfect all the time. Just make do with what you have, but make the best of what you have.
Oo. And itong tira niya, no? This shot of his, ganda ng, it's quick release, a lot of power from the legs as well. You know, I think yung mechanics na tira niya, a lot of similarities with Steph Curry. You know, I'm not saying that he is very close to that, but may similarity lang, no? Even the release.
Yeah, I agree. No secret why he took that jersey number as well. But it works for him, and bagay sa kanya, especially because hindi siya ganun katangkaran. That enables him to get shots off even against taller defenders. And even on the run, he likes taking shots.
And you know, this is a very, very smart pickup. If you ask me, Choggy Laude joins in on the scoring. This is a very, very smart pickup para dito sa Caloocan during the offseason. Ito si Jeff Manday. Just want to reiterate that.
Because aside from adding depth to the point guard spot, of course, that's the general idea. But he adds another layer to what this Caloocan team can do. Nagkaroon bigla ng isa pang variation yung guard rotation nila.
Because they relied a lot on Jeremer Cabanag during the playoffs last season. And Jeremer was able to deliver, you know, kahit papano, maganda yung pinakita ni Jeremer. But syempre, gusto mo, you know, you add another one and an even better three-point shooter. So that pretty much sums it up. Caloocan with another dominant win here at home at the Caloocan Sports Complex. Very, very impressive win here to you know, as they go into the All-Star break. Caloocan has Pangasinan, Ilagan, Zamboanga, and Sarangani remaining in their schedule. Our best player of the game is brought to you by 1xBet, title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet.
He started it, Sedelf, in that second quarter after Caloocan was able to trim the lead of Muntinlupa to 1 heading into the second period. Siya na ang trumabaho dito, scoring the points, and he also helped defensively limit Muntinlupa to just 12 points in that second quarter.
And I'm seeing a trend here in our best player of the game interviews. A lot of the players now are joining the best player of the game for interviews. And
Actually.
alam mo na, no, ibig sabihin, gumagana ang mga team building.